I just got a great new product. It's a mini bag sealer. It comes with a very easily detachable hook. Just pull it off like that and it comes off. This product takes 2 AA batteries. It's very easy to put them in. You just push the back off of this. It comes off easily. And here you can see a positive sign and a negative sign. And on this side, the positive sign's on the bottom. Just put the positive side up here, it'll clip right in. Put the negative side up here, very easy. And just take it like this and slide it back up. And now it's ready to use. Now, a very cool aspect of this product is they have a positive end and a negative end. And the negative end is the cutting end. So when you want to open your chips or your cereal, you use this end to cut it. And the positive end is the heating end, which also seals the bag. So when you're done eating, you can seal it with the positive end. Now, let's check out the negative end, cut open this delicious bag of chips. Now that I'm done eating my chips, I'm going to use my mini bag sealer to close the bag. Just take the positive end here, press it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it on the bag and slowly seal your bag of potato chips back up. Now, as you can see, the bag is airtight. There's no crumbs or anything, no air can get in. It's a perfect seal. Oh no, see, sometimes it doesn't seal. That's okay, we can do it again, no problem. Watch this. 2, 3, 4, 5. And put it on the bag and slowly pull across. And now, sealed, no problem. It does a great job of sealing no matter what. And you can use it twice on the same spot. It's no problem at all. As you can see, the mini bag sealer gives the bag a nice clean cut. There's no edges or anything. It's a very, very nice clean cut. The mini bag sealer can even seal Ziploc baggies with no problem. Watch this. And as you can see, the mini bag sealer gets a good seal and no air can come out. The mini bag sealer is quite light and efficient. It only weighs 0.05 kilograms without the batteries. The mini bag sealer is a really good product to have at your house. It's really small, so you can keep it almost anywhere in your kitchen. It's super convenient and works almost all the time to seal or open bags. And it's also very lightweight. And not to mention, it's quite good for the price. It's very cheap.